people walking by. That's so great. Perfect. That's great. Well, one of my favorite photographers, Liam Wong. Um, I bought his book and I've seen a lot of his work and also seen his work on Instagram, and that really sparked my interest. Um, Again, along with the movies, I love sci-fi movies. So the Blade Runner aesthetic, Fifth Element, um, Tron, those neon lights, they kind of pull you in. And then walking around our city at night is so quiet and calm, and I love that there's no one around and you can just hear the streets. Um, I kind of just started like that and walking around, put my headphones on at times and just zone out and shoot. Oh, it came out pretty nice. Want to see it?